Yeah, everybody's eating tonight. I hate winter. It's so boring. The snakes hardly ever eat. But they're all back on food now. I moved Jasmine out here in the big enclosure. She's almost as big as Chewy is. Everybody asks about the snakes. They're all doing great. I've just been real busy doing yard work and trying to get flowers planted and everything so I can start taking them back outdoors when it warms up more and stays warm for a while. But everybody's eating tonight. I got 4 gravid females. I'm real sure Jasmine is too, but time will tell. There's Faye. Everybody asks about them. They're all doing great. There's Jasmine. She's gonna go find her other rat. Grumpy's got another rat waiting for him over there. Tipper's up there. Sorry about the shaking. I've been hauling heavy crap outside the storage building today and sorting through it and moving it back in and organizing stuff. I've been working my butt off for 2 weeks here. So yeah, my tremors are a bit worse when I'm doing a lot of heavy work. Look how big Jasmine's got. But we're fine. I appreciate the concern from my friends. We're doing great. Just really, really busy this time of the year. Everybody's back on food now. And I got my incubators in, got them all set up. I'm ready to, I ordered the sphagnum moss to go in the nest boxes for those. My goodness, that's one pregnant young lady. Look at you, Lydia. She's getting ready to have her pre-lay shed. Her eyes are all blue. But yeah, this is Lydia, my Pastavi girl. She's gravid. Very pregnant. You and Tipper had a good time, didn't you? Huh? I don't want to disturb her. I just took her out to refresh everything in her cage. But look at the scale separation. She is packed. You're going to have some pretty babies, I'm sure. She's a wonderful snake. Look at you. Oh my goodness. She's getting ready to have her pre-lay shed. Look at that. She's beautiful. A lot of scale separation. She's going to be loaded. I can't wait to have these. Actually, the Pastavis are one of my favorite of the ball python genetics. The clowns and the Pastavis. I love them dearly.